Hello, welcome. We are covering the subject thermodynamics for civil social mains, IFS, and various gate exams. And we have covered the theory portion of first law of thermodynamics. Now we are solving some questions based on first law of thermodynamics. For closed system, we have solved up to question number 14. Question number 15 is air pressure inside a spherical balloon is proportional to its diameter. The balloon undergoes a reversible isothermal non-flow process. During the process, balloon maintains its spherical shape and air inside the balloon consumes 2 kJ of heat. Initial air pressure inside the balloon was 120 kPa while the initial balloon diameter was 20 cm. Assuming air to be an ideal gas, the final diameter of the balloon in centimeter is dash. So here it is given that P is the equal diameter and for C is constant, for P is equal to CD, and the volume of sphere is given as pi dq by 6. Positive indicated by d. So now d cube is 6 d by pi, or d is 1.2407 d raised to 1 by 2. Put in the value of d in terms of d, so p will be at 1.2407 into v raised to 1 by 2. Okay. So as process inside the balloon is isothermal, so change in internal energy 0. Okay. So it means dq is equal to d dq, and if we integrate it, it will be q 1 2, or heat supply is given as 2 kilojoules, so it is 2 into 1000, and work done is represented by PdV. So P is this value. Okay. So after integrating between final volume and initial volume, we will get this. So for final volume is V2 and initial volume is V1, or this will be a integral of V raised to 1 by 3. Okay, now we need the value of C. So at 120 kPa initial pressure, the diameter is given as 20 centimeter or 0.2 meter. Okay. So from this we can get the value of P using this, or using this P is equal to CD. Okay. Because P is equal to CD, so C will be a P by D, or it will be 60000. Okay. So here putting the value of C, and initial volume is pi by 6 d1 cube, that is this value, d1 is 0.2, and C is also known. Here we have 2000. Okay. So we can find out V2, and V1 is also known. So we can find out V2. So V2 will be at 0.01667, and from this, using formula pi by 6 d2 cube, we can find out final diameter. So that is at 31.697. Next question is question number 16. An ideal gas undergoes a reversible process in which the pressure varies linearly with volume. The condition at the start subscript 1 and at the end subscript 2 of the process with usual notations are P1 is equal to 100 kPa, V1 is equal to 0.2 meter cube, and P2 is equal to 200 kPa, V2 is equal to 0.1 meter cube, and the gas constant R is equal to 0.275 kilojoules per kilogram per degree Kelvin. The magnitude of work required for the process in kilojoules is. So here pressure varies linearly with volume. So using the linear equation, Crichton equation, that is y is equal to mx plus c. So we can take y as p and x as v. So p is equal to mv plus c. So P1 is your 100 kPa, the initial pressure, and initial volume is your 0.2 meter cube. Okay, so this is given, and P2 is also given, and V2 is also given. From these P1 and V1 and P2 V2, we can find out M and C. So M comes out as minus 1000 and C comes out as 300. So equation of P becomes 300 minus 1000 degree. P is equal to 300 minus 1000 degree. solving this, we can get M as minus 1000 and C as 300. Now the general formula for work done is PdV, and volume is varying from V2 to V2. V2 is 0.1 and V1 is 0.2, and P is 300 minus 1000 V, or dB 300 V minus 1000 V square by 2. Limits are 0.1 and 0.2. So solving this, we get minus 15 kJ. So it means the magnitude of work required is 15 kJ. Because it is minus, so work is required, not done by us. Next question is question number 17. The volume and temperature of air assumed to be an ideal gas in a closed vessel is 2.87 meter cube and 300 Kelvin. The gauge pressure indicated by a manometer filled to wall of the vessel is 0.5 bar. If the gas constant of air is R is equal to 287 joule per kilogram per degree Kelvin, and the atmospheric pressure is 1 bar, the mass of air in the vessel is option A 1.67, option B 3.33, option C 5.00, and option D 6.66. So here volume of closed vessel is 2.87 meter cube. Temperature of gas in vessel is 300 Kelvin. Gauge pressure is 0.5, atmospheric pressure is 1 bar. Total pressure is gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. And using the equation of state, PV is equal to MRT. P is 1.5 into 10 to 5. V is 2.87. R is 287, and T is 300. So mass comes out as 5 kg. So just while using gas equation, we have to use total pressure. So total pressure is gauge pressure plus atmospheric pressure. So here gauge pressure is given. Here the pressure is gauge pressure. So we have to take total pressure for calculating or for using ideal gas equation. Next question is question number 18, and in question number 18 is under isothermal condition, a vertical tube of length L 100 meter contains a gas molecular weight equal to 60. The pressure and temperature at the top of the tube are 100 kPa